Hi, my name is Jerry Whiting. I own Azalea Software here in Seattle, and for the last 9 months, I've been hard at work on something I call foneFrame. foneFrame is the easiest way I know to create mobile web pages for smartphones like Android and iPhone. It's built with HTML5 and CSS3. It's hosted in the cloud, and we've decided to release it as free open source software under Creative Commons. So, foneFrame encompasses a template, a couple of web front ends, a skin for Twitter, and soon native apps for Android and iPhone. So please, give us a minute and we'd like to explain what foneFrame is and why we're doing it. Of course, there's a story behind foneFrame. Actually, there's two stories. Number one, I was really impressed by the role that cell phones and social media like Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook played in the Arab Spring. I was also dismayed to see governments censoring and throttling the internet, blocking sites like Twitter and Facebook, and as one who runs Tor servers, that was unacceptable. And that's why foneFrame happens in your phone under your control. The second thing is, as I began to create mobile pages with smartphones in mind, I found that there needed to be a sweet spot between Android and iPhones and everything else. And coming from making sites for computers and their browsers, I found that mobile pages needed their own framework, and hence foneFrame was born. So we think foneFrame is of interest to three different groups: web designers, developers and IT folks, organizations, and activists. If you're a web designer, you know you need to use HTML5. What quicker way to jumpstart new projects than to use our template? If you're a developer or an IT person, you'll appreciate the fact that we handle not only HTML5, but XML, RSS, Atom, and server-side includes. And once you read the comments in the code and look at the whole schema, you'll appreciate all the hard work we put into it. And if you're an organization, you need to keep in touch with your users and your members. What better way than to push data to their smartphone? So again, while we're not all things to all people, what foneFrame does, we think it does really well. So foneFrame is out and about. There's a template you can download now. The framework is hosted in the cloud for you. There's a web page that creates mobile sites, another web page that creates RSS 2.0 feeds. There's even a skin for Twitter. But we've gone as far as we can without your help. We need to bring on a couple developers, some designers to do new templates, and most of all, translators so that we can spread foneFrame far and wide around the world. So please, take a minute to look at what we've done and consider supporting what we think is a really exciting project. Thanks for your time.
Easily change the look and feel of pages made with foneFrame by editing or modifying the CSS style sheet. foneFrame has two distinct web front ends, one that creates web pages and one that creates RSS feeds. Both are stored locally on your phone. foneFrame comes with the raw code to create a skin for Twitter. Integrate your Twitter feed into your mobile website. Web apps made with foneFrame can be converted to native phone apps with Creative Suite 5.5's PhoneGap. foneFrame has come a long way since we first started banging out the code. With your help, we can build a bigger, faster, stronger suite of tools, and continue to share much of it free to a worldwide audience, including you. Thank you in advance for your contribution.